Alright, so I wanted to design a bench that was easy to build but also easy to customize. So starting with a frame section built from one 2x4, using repeating parts like the top and the bottom section, but also common angles to cut out all the pieces. With the repeating parts, it's easy to scale up production of the sub-assemblies. So with one 2x4 you can get one frame, add two more 2x4s and you get more frames. For the seating surface I use deck boards, so throw some on top and you have yourself a bench. I found that 3 frames works good for a 6-foot bench. Using 10-foot deck boards, I was also able to get a second bench out of the material, a smaller 4-foot bench. If you need something even smaller, for instance a single chair, you can use two 2x4s and one deck board. Whatever fits your application. The modular design lends itself to a number of configurations, so this is what we'll be building today. Alright, printed out the plans. I'm in the garage. I wanted to build this outside, but neighbors are out and they're being noisy and whatnot, so that's fine. I'll let them have their fun. I'll be in here having my fun. So what I'm going to do is build the 2x4 sections. I'm going to create the base frames first, assemble one, see how it fits, and then if everything looks good, I'll do the other two. Then I'll take it outside and put on the planks for the seating. So and then that should be it. This is going to be a quick project, and hopefully I can have this done in the next 15 minutes or so. So we'll give it a go. Okay, so I just finished cutting the bottom section, the front section, and basically the seat section. So these are supposed to be the same length. So now basically what I'm going to do is throw these bevels on. So each one is going to have a 105-degree bevel towards the in. It's going to have 105-degree bevels. So I think I'm going to keep the 27.5 inches for the backrest. It seems to be all right. It creates a lower backrest seat, which is fine. The other kind of cool thing about that is that it leaves a little bit left on the top of the piece of wood on the 2x4. So it leaves a small section up here, which will be enough to fill in the basically the interior gap. So this piece right here is the next one we're going to cut, and that's basically to support the structure underneath here. The only issue is that the front leg here needs to move in about an inch or so. But that being said, if it does, we're able to get an entire frame section out of one 2x4. So that sort of makes this a little bit more efficient for use of materials. Again, I'm kind of taking my time on this because I'm prototyping it right now. So obviously, if I was doing this in kind of a more production method, I would have stop blocks set up so I could just make all these angle cuts one after another super quick. Once I get this sorted out, I'll repeat the same process to make the other 2 frame sections, and then we'll take it outside and do the final assembly. Actually not too bad. Kind of loungy. Be about an inch taller, but actually I think it's not too bad. Pretty comfortable. Nice little zone here. Oh yeah, that'll work. Ah, that's still on. Turn that off. Okay. All right. So I had a power outage twice, but I'm all done the pieces that have been cut. So I'm gonna assemble the next two frames and then cut the. I got 5/4 or 5/4, whatever. I don't know. They're deck board, 1 inch thick. I got 5 of those, so I'll be able to have one bench that's 6 feet long and one bench that's 4 foot. So yeah, I'm gonna get the frames together. Then we're gonna take it outside, put the boards on, and then have a nice sit. Alright, last cut I gotta do is the 6-foot bench sections here for the seats and the backrest. So I'm gonna do that, then we'll go outside and finish this up. I need a proper miter saw station. Okay, last bit, we're going to put everything together. It's nice outside. I've been at this a little longer than 15 minutes, but we're going to do this once and for all. I'm going to get the last bit done outside, and it's going to be awesome. Here we go. Hey, thanks for hanging out. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. All right, bye for now.